Welcome to Kohl's. The reason I'm here today is because yesterday, today, and Saturday and Sunday, today is Friday, September 5th, they're giving away Kohl's cash. So you walk in the store and they're supposed to give you a piece of paper that's the Kohl's cash. It could have anywhere from $5 to $100 of free money. And it could be it could be also 10 and 20. I think there's a 50. I came here yesterday and I came too late in the day and I had missed getting Kohl's cash by an hour. So they only have a certain amount of day, so you want to come earlier than later. And so it is now about 10:30, 10:45 in the morning. I just came back from an appointment. I had to get a shot in the arm for my white blood counts. For those that don't know, I am living with cancer, but I'm living my best life. And so I'm still doing all the things. But anyway, I'm here to get my Kohl's cash. So join me on today's adventure. Excuse me, where do I go to get the Kohl's cash? Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, I was just given one of these, and I guess we'll open it to find out how much I get. Ooh, there's some Halloween stuff that I could get with whatever I get. I'm expecting 5, but we'll see what happens. It's a lot of cool. Oh, look at the Mickey pumpkin. I have a smaller one from last year. All right, I accidentally left my tripod in the car, so we're just gonna hold you up against the pumpkin. So here we go. I'm expecting 5, but I'm hoping for more. Here we go, and it is $10. So I got a higher one. Oh, that's awesome. All right, let's go look around the store and see what I can get for $10. I think I might go to the toy section to see if I can get my granddaughter a little present. So, yay. All right. Well, they have some clearance dresses. So let's see what they have. Some cute stuff. Let's see what some of the prices are. Just for example, this was just under 30, so it would be $20 for a dress. Not seeing anything I like right now, but we're gonna keep looking around. This rack over here is only $17.99, so it would only cost me $7.99 if I got a sweatshirt, but it's really, really cute. I won't wear it until fall, so technically it's not yet. And I have so many sweatshirts in my wardrobe, so I don't think I'm gonna get this, but it is a possibility. And I don't think they have my size. Yeah, I'm not a 1X anymore. That's the one thing that's come from this whole thing is the weight loss, which is a positive because I needed to lose weight. I'm down 40 pounds and I'm so used to being the plus size girl that I sometimes automatically go into the plus size section and I no longer fit into even my extra larges at home. I actually bought a dress that was a medium the other day. I have not been a medium. I can't even tell you when. I want to say high school maybe early college. It's been a really long time. So when I go into these sections, I have to remember not to go into the plus size section. All right, we're in the toy section, I think, or the holiday section. Let's turn the camera around. A lot of cute stuff. Christmas apparently is already out. Okay, I'm not even ready for fall yet, and we're already dealing with Christmas. That's crazy. Yeah, we will not be getting any Christmas or Hanukkah items today, but it's out. If you are a lover of the season and want to start now, you can do that at Kohl's. Look at that. They got some cute stuff. They have some really cute Mickey Mouse stuff. The frame is really cute. And do what you love what you do. I don't like the Mickey on that one though. This is a possibility. It's $14.99, so it only cost me $5 plus tax. I didn't even know they had gift wrapping here at Kohl's. Wow. Oh, they also have some Thanksgiving cards and Halloween cards. Wow. And we have found the toy section with lots of books and lots of toys. Already putting out the Christmas toys too. wow, they also have 80% off baby clothes. So I'm gonna look through this rack. That looks like boys, but we'll look through and see what we can find. All right, I'm heading to check out. I think some of the things I got don't qualify for the Kohl's cash, but I definitely have at least $10 worth in my hand. So I will show you my haul when I get to my car and I get my tripod back. Of course, I try to get you at the end when you're waiting online. All the different goodies that they have that you could get. And here's my bag of goodies. I got more than one thing. I think I got 4 things. Yeah, I got 4 items. My total spend was $20.14, so it would have been $30.14. Most of the things I found were on sale, some were not. And that's where the 10 would have come off from. Yep, I found something on clearance that got money taken off of it. And one of the toy items I got counted for some of that $10. It took it off like in increments, like they just broke it up. At least on the receipt they did. I don't know why they just don't put the $10. And it looks like they took something off each item. So I guess, because I bought a book in the book section, it said that some of them didn't count for the discount, but I guess mine did. Mine was on an end cap, but it didn't have a clearance sticker on it. I don't know, it's very confusing. But basically, yeah, the special offer, $10, and they just kind of broke it up between the 4 items. So I definitely saved $10, so it would have cost me $30.14. So anyway, I'll show you what I got. First thing that I got was a Ariel shirt for my granddaughter. It's going to be too big. She's not quite 2 yet. So even though it was only like $6.04 before my extra savings, so it was originally $10.99, so it was a good deal. So she can always grow into it. So it's better to, she's obsessed with Ariel. So it's perfect. She knows how to say mermaid in her way. So that's really cute. So I think it's always better to get bigger than smaller, because they, kids grow so fast. So she'll grow into it if it's a little too big. So that's the first thing I got. When I saw that, I was like, oh my gosh, that's perfect. And speaking of princesses, I found her this really, really cute book. It's called Dear Little Princess, and it's got every one of the different Disney princesses, and telling them, basically it teaches little ones to have courage and be kind, and a love letter of hopes and dreams. I love the message that it's giving. And it does have Ariel. She's got her own page. So when she sees Ariel's page, she's definitely gonna light up. So it's really, I love this book. I read it and I was like, oh, I love this book so much. And I'm pretty sure she doesn't have that one. She has all the ones that most kids have, like the caterpillar one and some of the llama ones. I love those books. If you have never gotten a llama book for your loved one, whether it's a nephew or a niece or a grandchild or your own child, they're the best books. And there's actually, Netflix has the cartoons now on Llama also. I also got some cards. It's a pack of 6 cards for the upcoming Jewish New Year. So I've got some special people in my life who have been really helping me during this challenging time. At times challenging, I'm forging ahead. So they will each be getting a card, and there's 2 different ones to choose from. So that Hallmark section was amazing. This was not on sale, but I did get some money off of it with that coupon, so that was good. And last but not least, we're going to do this in the car. I'm obsessed with unboxing stuff, and most of the time I send it to my nephew. Sometimes I keep it for myself. Like the Disney dog collection, I did keep 2 of the dogs, and I sent 2 off. But this one is kawaii. I don't know if you can see that. It's kawaii, and you have a possibility of getting a bunch of little cute kawaii toys. And when I journal, it's one of the things I was told to do. It turns out I was already doing it. But when I write down my feelings and thoughts to get through some of my challenging times, it's really helpful. And my cousin, also, when she originally sent me the first journal, I'm about to be on the second one, she also sent me some stickers, some encouraging stickers, and I went and got some kawaii stickers to also add in there, and they're really cute, and it just depends on my mood, Some of them I probably won't use, but they're really cute. So I thought I would open this up and see what kind of toy we get. If I like it, I'll keep it. If it's not up my alley, then I'll send it off to my my niece and nephew. All right, here we go. It's wrapped again. I think you can see that. It's hard to see because the sun is shining into my window. All right, we can take this out. There's like a lot of stuff in here. Oh, wow. I guess I get a bunch of stuff. It smells like caramel corn. That is so bizarre. It says movie magic. It's called The Star is Corn. It's got little sunglasses on the front of it. Okay, that's really cute. We're putting that up here. So I got a little thing of popcorn. I guess I get a bunch of different stuff. I had no idea. I thought it was just gonna be one thing. It says mini brands on it. So maybe Kauai mini brands. I guess I didn't really. I just saw Kauai and I was like, oh, Kauai. Oh, this is cute. There's a poodle in my noodle. Like a cup of noodles. Okay, that's really, really cute. All right, I'm really liking these. They're so funny. My little niece is too little, and so is my granddaughter for this because they're still putting things in their mouths. They're only 3 months apart. But my nephew, who is 4, I can probably send some of this stuff to him, but he has to keep it separate and away from her so that she doesn't get into his stuff. Oh, this is cute too. This is Pando bubble tea. That's really cute. All right, so we got a bubble tea, a poodle in my noodle, and the popcorn. And there's one other in here. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's slime. Ew, I'm not opening that. I'm not actually going to send that to any kid either because I don't want my brother to have to deal with slime. So that's pretty good. That was $7.99, and then they took off some money for that. So I guess it shows you all the different ones that you could get in the collection. So I'll look over that in a little bit and see what else there is. But it's all like food items. I got some good ones. It's very cool. They've got like a pizza one and like a coffee one. So they're really, really cute. So I will look at this when I get home. It's part of the Mini Brands Kauai series. They sell them in Target too. You can get these big balls, and there's all like, they tell you what they are. Sometimes I have mini furniture. Sometimes it's mini food like this one. Sometimes it's Kauai. So I am going to put this all back together again. It was fun. I like unboxing. It looks like something was starting to melt on my dash. That's how hot it is here. All right, so these will go home with me. So that's what I got. So if you have the opportunity to get to Kohl's today, I'm going to try to upload this video today. So today being Friday, September 5th, during their store hours, I recommend going earlier than later. What time did I get here last night? I got here after 6 last night, and I was an hour too late. So I would say around the 5 o'clock mark is when they're running out of coupons, because each store only gets a certain amount and then they're out for the day. But you still have Saturday and Sunday to get free Kohl's cash. I may or may not come back. I don't really want to spend any more money, but and it's going to depend on how I'm feeling. My tiredness should hit its max tomorrow. Right now I'm feeling really good on only 4 hours of sleep, so we'll see how that goes. All right, well, on that note, thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure.